Hey gang, welcome back. Thanks for tuning in. Before we get too far though, reach down, smash that subscribe button so you don't miss any of the adventures of PourMan, much like this one right here. So today, we are downtown Las Vegas, not on the Strip. We're at the brand new Circa Hotel, and we are at 8 East, which has been here since the beginning. When was the beginning?
October 2020.
This is my boy Marky Mark right here, and he's not just a pretty face. How you doing, Mark? Hey, thanks for doing this. Appreciate this.
Thanks for having me.
He's been had. So I was looking over the menu here, and I've already eaten here. The food is really good, but here at 8 East, you can actually get whiskey flights. So they've got the Flight 1, Flight 2, and the Flight 3, and they've got a bunch of different Japanese whiskeys. Do you have a preference in any of these? Do you like the most expensive one?
I probably would go with the Yamazaki.
Is that Flight 3?
Yeah, Flight 3 over here.
All right.
That seems to be the most popular one.
All right. Well, there you go. So that's just one of the many things you can do while you're eating here at 8 East. So I'm not here for fun. I'm here for serious business. And the business today is Mark here is going to make PourMan a cocktail. What are you making?
We're going to do the Rosemary Smash.
He's going to make me a rosemary smash. And if you're quite ready, I'm ready to drink, brother. All right. Fire away.
It's hot outside, so this is a nice, refreshing drink. Cucumbers. Three-quarter ounce, 50-50 lime juice and lemon juice.
Sounds good to me.
Level first.
Yeah, smash it good.
Yeah.
Check out the guns. You know that stuff is smashed.
Then we go for the rosemary syrup.
So nice.
What's up, dude? What's your name?
Javier. What's
Work
up,
here?
Javier?
So Javier, you're on camera. Say hey to everybody.
Hello, everybody.
You're a bartender as well?
Yes, I am.
Oh, that's right. You were going to be my guy the other day. You were going to be our guy. It happens. Anyway, we're going to continue. Finish making the drink.
Hey, hot vodka. 2 ounces.
2 ounces hot vodka, perfect.
What's he making?
Rosemary smash.
Look at this. That is talent right there. So you come here, you could get Mark, you could get Javier. Come back to Nash though. Would you come to knock the place over?
Yeah.
Yeah, all right. What you got?
A couple shakes.
Give it a shake.
We're going to strain over ice
Cool.
and add soda on the way in.
Looks pretty good to me. You just never know what's going to happen during a PourMan show. You know, you got 2 bartenders for the price of 1.
Garnish with the rosemary sprig.
Uh-huh.
They're all separate.
Am I really?
Yeah, everywhere.
I'm thirsty. I don't know if you know, but it's 106 degrees outside. So I think this is going to work pretty well for me. I always do this, Javier. I always make sure to taste it just to make sure that he did the job right.
Exactly.
And I'm gonna let Javier taste this one too to make sure
Taste
that
test.
yeah, exactly. To make sure. Yeah.
2 shots.
You didn't know that your work
Same
was.
time?
You didn't know that your work was. You didn't know your work was going to be graded, did you?
Yeah, I did.
That doesn't suck. How do you do, Javier? And actually, you can smell the rosemary as you're sipping it. It's pretty
Yeah.
good. And
Take the straw out of it for that reason.
yeah. Well, I would have put my eye out too.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, to get the recipe, all you do, you know this, go to PourManMike.com. And if you push this button right where Javier is standing, you'll instantly become a PourMinion, which gets you a head-of-the-line speed pass for each and every new PourMan adventure, plus some other cool stuff coming up very, very soon. So, until next time, pour well, pour often, tell PourMan sent you. See you around. Here you go.